we'll go.
Welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone model that I picked up for I think it was $20 if I remember right. I'll pull up the listing in a little bit. Now, I basically bought them for the one phone. It's a Samsung SPH A560. It's basically the phone that I always get. This one is just saying leave a good feedback. Alright. Let's say there's a charger. Another charger. I just pull all this out of there. Try to keep all these packing peanuts in the bag because they like to go everywhere. All right. So first up, we have a pack of peanuts right there. A Samsung SPH N300. It looks like it's missing the flat piece that goes here. Looks to be in decent shape. It's got a battery. Looks like a proprietary Samsung charger. I should have it. Here is a Samsung SPH A660. I actually just got rid of one of these in a phone trade recently. Battery's extremely bulged out as they normally are. It looks to be in decent shape. No power. It's got some blue paint or something on it. Antenna seems to work still. A lot of these antennas sometimes break on these. Here we have a phone charger. It looks like a Samsung proprietary. This looks like it's going to fit the A660 and the A560. So there's that. There's another phone charger. This one's a Motorola proprietary, like the V262. And a couple other Motorola's like that from that era. Big old charger. Here we have another phone I've been looking at, which is actually what the charger's for. It is a V120. Already have one of these. Comes with a case. Let's see. Should be the V120C. Yep. It's got a big battery in it. Like I said, I already have one of these, same carrier as well. It's with Verizon also. So there's that one. Got a car charger, which looks like it fits maybe this one. Nope, too small. Maybe a Samsung. Yeah, I think it fits the Samsung model. So it probably fits the A560. Here's a belt clip. The other phone is the A560. And it's sticky completely with all that glue that goes up there, but it is dead. All over my fingers now. Battery's a little bulged up. Let's just try to charge it, see. Yeah. So that's what I figured it would fit. So here it is. It is completely covered in that goo, inside and out. And we have one last charger. That looks to be a Motorola maybe. It is a universal iGo charger, which these are kind of nice to have. That is another, I'm not touching that one, another Samsung, I think. Yep. So yeah, there's that little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.